You won't want to miss what we've got in store. We have hungry hamsters, twirling terriers, larcenous lizards, and a cat who can definitely work on their dismount. All this and more right here on World's Funniest Animals. You're watching World's Funniest Animals. We've searched all across the world, even my own backyard, for the most amusing animal antics we could find on tape. I'm your host, Elizabeth Stanton, and these are my sidekicks, Hank and Ruby. We are joined today by our group of panelists and our special guest, Amara Zaragoza. Hey, Amara.
Hey, Liz. Kathleen and I are so excited to be here. Thank you so much.
Happy to have you here. We always have segments for cats, dogs, and birds. You know, the big three for household pets. But hey, I thought it's time to stick up for the little guy. Let's take a look at another fan favorite in our segment, Hamster Time. Starting with Michaela Gordon. Hey, Michaela.
Hey, Liz, what's going on?
Are you a fan of surprises?
Of course, but now I'm worried about what this next clip is, Liz. I've never seen a hamster look more offended.
Next up, we have stand-up comedian Brian Cooper. Hey, Brian.
Liz, how's it going?
Do you like Italian food?
Where's this going? Can we get one more hamster? I see a Lady and the Tramp remake.
Now we're joined by actress Carmen Hodgson.
Hey, Lizzie.
You're a big fan of working out, right, Carmen? Do your pets work out?
I mean, I take them on walks. So you know how you have to kind of bend down to pet someone's dog? If you saw a hamster outside, you would basically have to lie down and pet it.
Finally, we are joined by actor Noah Matthews.
Liz, how's it going?
Let me know what you think of this.
It's all those sunflower seeds he's been eating, loaded with protein and vitamins.
Can I get one of these but big enough for my dog?
Our pets all have that one favorite toy. You know, that toy that makes them crazy when they have it, or even crazier when they can't find it? Let's take a look at these pets' favorite toys in Where's My Toy?
It looks cute, but she's actually a black belt in jiu-jitsu, and that is a brutal hold.
If I didn't see him walk first, I couldn't tell you what is a stuffed animal and what is real.
And that is why he's an only child. He is not to be trusted around siblings.
Okay, this took me a few times to figure out. Have you noticed it yet? The dog's mouth is through the stuffed animal.
Is this the dog version of Chucky? Cool.
I told you, I can't sleep without my stuffed unicorn. Stop bringing it downstairs.
We need to get that husky a toy stat before he starts treating that cat like one.
Let's check in with our special guest. You may know her from Gossip Girl, the lovely Amara Zaragoza.
So this is my baby Chomley, and Chomley is half husky and half red heeler. He's a good boy.
Chomley, what a fun name. How did you two come together?
I've had Chomley since he was 8 weeks old, and he's now 5, so I've had him for a really long time.
I heard you and Chomley had some tricks you wanted to show us.
Let's see if we can do a trick. Okay, sit. Good boy. Sit. Okay, wait, down. Wait, you're doing it too fast. Up, up, sit. No. Sit, sit.
We have some wicked whiskered wipeouts coming up next on World's Funniest Animals. Welcome back. One thing about Hank is he absolutely loves the water. Swimming, fishing, diving, he does it all. Now, Ruby, on the other hand, let's just say her hair doesn't cooperate and she would rather not mess it up if she doesn't have to. They're just too cute. I mean, I just can't sometimes. Okay, focus, Lizzie. We have a show to do. Speaking of water, these dogs just can't get enough of it in our segment we like to call Thirsty for Fun.
This video is hypnotic.
Anyone else dizzy?
Oh, they're on a synchronized swimming team. Hey, you'd be thirsty too after a 3-mile walk covered in fur.
You should take him to Yellowstone. He would freak out.
You know the fountains in parks, the ones in the middle of a lake, and they always look so fun to play in? Well, the dog in this next clip did exactly that.
This looks like the final scene in an action movie. How did he even get there?
Animals are extremely fast, and with great speed requires even greater reaction time. When that fails, we get into wipeout territory. Are you okay?
The way the guys went to stop him makes me think this isn't the first time this has happened.
You know, I've always wondered what makes cats have the propensity to climb and jump off high objects. This next clip doesn't explain it, but it is a prime example.
Cats always land on their feet, mainly because they have so much practice falling.
Rowdy reptiles and fenced-in Fidos coming up next on World's Funniest Animals. Welcome back. You're watching World's Funniest Animals. Reptiles are known as being cold-blooded. Not just due to their genetics, but also because of their rude behavior. I've had some amazing experiences with lizards and snakes and found them to be quite nice. Reptile Roundup.
Dude, what are you doing out here? Just hop on, you'll be fine. Just get on board. I'll take you back. Come on. Alright, we're almost home. Any of us look familiar to you? Hi, buddy. Nice meeting you. Bye.
This is so wholesome, but he has a pretty good point. How did he get way over there?
He's going after a tree, but the turtle might look it up.
Okay, this is not a fair fight. He has a shell.
This is senior abuse. That turtle is 84.
We all enjoy a nice picnic bench with a nice big meal. Apparently, so do iguanas.
Go ahead, have it. You can have it. It's very good.
What's the opposite of pizza delivery?
He has the audacity to eat half of it in front of him before running away. That is my kind of lizard.
All pets and animals alike share one thing in common: the fence. It stops dogs from reaching the strangers they're barking at, cats from whatever cats do, and wild animals from getting over to our neck of the woods. Let's take a closer look at this long-standing rivalry in our segment, Don't Fence Me In.
Right now is usually about when people give me treats.
Legend has it, Maggie is still there to this day.
And now we begin our bicentennial dog versus deer race. First, we start with the 40-yard dash. And they're off.
So far, we've seen the dreaded backyard fence, but now I present to you pet enemy number one, the indoor pet gate. We're back with our special guest, Amara. So I hear Chomley is quite the entertainer himself.
Chomley is actually a movie star. He got asked to be in a movie, and he's the title role in this short film called Lucy. And I got to be the trainer, and I had my little treats and everything. He hid under a car when he was supposed to. There was like a fight scene in there. But it's a really great film. And now he's in the running, possibly for an Academy Award. My dog might get an Oscar before me.
That seems like a nice, healthy competition between you two. Get ready, Headbutt Bonanza coming up right after this on World's Funniest Animals. With wild animals, you never know what might happen, but you can count on one thing. If you make them angry, they won't hesitate to let you know. Let's see what happens in that exact scenario with our segment, Headbutt Bonanza.
That's a pretty bad way to break your drone.
Maybe if you waited till he stopped eating, he probably would have been nicer.
So this next clip is quite educational. I learned if I'm on a bike and I see a ram, to get off the bike and get as far away as possible from it.
They could have just talked this out. But that ram is so hard-headed.
You know, everybody's a critic, even our pets. Some pets just don't appreciate their owner's musical tendencies. Don't believe me? Let's find out in our next segment. Please stop singing.
I got money in the bank. Shawty, what you think?
You're way too flat.
When I call you never.
Did you want me to stop?
Honestly, I'm glad she stopped her that soon. We cannot afford that song on this show, ma'am.
Hi. Sometimes I think too much. I can't tell if it happened or I made it up. I sit around and then I can't get up. Are you serious?
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and stuff.
Get off!
Cat.
Now, I know I said this would be about animals who did not like their owner's music, but with this one, the jury is out. I can't tell if the cat loves the music or wants her to stop. Let me know what you think.
Hi.
This is me trying to strike up a conversation with the band at the bar.
Hi.
Well, that's almost it for us, but in case you missed anything along the way, here's a quick recap of all of our funniest moments. We had island iguanas, terrifying turtles, clumsy cats, fenced Fidos, raging rams, parched pups, horrified hamsters, and a dog having the time of their life in the middle of a fountain. Thanks so much to our panel and to our special guest, Amara Zaragoza.
Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, Liz. Thank you so much for having us.
And thank you for tuning in. I'm Elizabeth Stanton, and we'll see you next time on World's Funniest Animals.